Ever wondered how artificial intelligence came into existence? The seeds of AI were sown back in the 1950s when computer scientists began toying with the idea of creating machines that could mimic human intelligence. These early pioneers envisioned a world where machines could solve problems, learn from experience, and understand language, just like us. The 60s and 70s brought advancements in programming and computing power, allowing for the development of the first AI models. These models were rudimentary by today's standards, but they provided a foundation for future generations of AI. Fast forward to the turn of the millennium, and AI had started to become a reality, with machine learning and neural networks leading the charge. These technologies enable machines to learn from data and make decisions, paving the way for today's AI applications like voice assistants, recommendation systems, and autonomous vehicles. That's how we got to the AI we know today. But what exactly is it? So, what exactly is this thing we call artificial intelligence? In its simplest form, artificial intelligence, or AI, is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, particularly computer systems. It encompasses several key elements, including learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and language understanding. AI can take on various forms, but the two most common types are narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI is designed to perform specific tasks, such as voice recognition. You've probably interacted with this type of AI when you use voice commands on your phone or Home Assistant. On the other hand, general AI, which is still largely theoretical, would have all the cognitive abilities of a human being, enabling it to understand, learn, adapt, and implement knowledge in a wide range of tasks. With this understanding, the world of artificial intelligence starts to become a little less mysterious. Now that we know what AI is, let's delve into how it works. How does a machine learn to think? That's where the magic of machine learning and neural networks come into play. Machine learning, as the name suggests, allows a machine to learn from data without explicit programming. It's like teaching a child to recognize a cat, not by defining what a cat is, but by showing them pictures of different cats until they understand. Now, what's a neural network? It mimics the human brain's own network of neurons. Imagine millions of tiny neurons all working together, each learning a tiny bit of information. They then connect and share this information, creating a network of knowledge. In the context of AI, these neural networks process vast amounts of data, identifying patterns and learning from them. They adapt their own neurons based on the information they receive, improving their performance over time. These processes enable AI to learn, but how does it make decisions? We'll delve into that in the next segment. How does AI decide what to do next? This question brings us to a crucial aspect of artificial intelligence: decision-making. Like a human brain, AI uses algorithms to process information and make decisions. But unlike us, AI relies on decision trees, a flowchart-like structure, to make complex choices. Each node in this tree represents a possible decision point, and branches represent the potential outcomes of those decisions. The AI evaluates each path, calculating probabilities based on the data it has been fed. It's a bit like playing chess, where the AI anticipates multiple steps ahead and chooses the path with the highest likelihood of success. This process is repeated constantly, with the AI learning and adjusting its strategy based on new data. It's a continuous cycle of learning and decision-making, driven by algorithms and data. AI's decision-making capability is impressive, but how is it applied in the real world? Let's dive deeper into that in the next scene. Ever thought about how artificial intelligence impacts your daily life? You might not realize it, but AI is everywhere. Take voice assistants, for example. Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant. These are all powered by artificial intelligence. They learn from your habits, understand your commands, and even respond in a conversational manner. And what about when you're scrolling through Netflix or Spotify? The recommendations you see are not just random. They're the result of complex machine learning algorithms, analyzing your preferences to suggest content you might like. Then there's the world of autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars are no longer just a sci-fi fantasy. They're here navigating our roads, using AI to interpret traffic data, recognize signs, and make split-second decisions. AI is transforming our world, making everyday tasks easier and more efficient. But with these advancements come challenges. AI has numerous benefits, but it also raises some serious questions. Let's dive into those next. What are the moral implications of artificial intelligence? As we've dived into AI's intricacies, we must now confront its ethical dilemmas. First, let's consider bias. AI systems learn from data, and if that data reflects societal biases, the AI can unwittingly perpetuate them. This can result in unfair outcomes in areas like hiring, lending, and law enforcement. Next, job displacement. AI's capability to automate tasks can lead to job loss in certain sectors, raising questions about the responsibility of AI developers and the need for societal safety nets. Lastly, privacy concerns. AI's ability to collect and analyze vast amounts of data means it can potentially infringe on our privacy. How do we balance the benefits of AI with the right to privacy? These ethical challenges are significant, but there's also the question of AI's future. As we move forward, how do we ensure we're using this powerful tool in a way that's beneficial for all of humanity? What does the future hold for AI? That's a question that sparks both awe and apprehension. As we look ahead, it's clear that AI is on a path to potentially surpass human intelligence. The pace at which it's evolving is nothing short of astonishing. Imagine a world where AI systems not only learn and adapt, but also create and innovate, much like us humans. However, with great power comes great responsibility. The prospect of AI outsmarting humans raises valid concerns. Could it lead to job displacement, or worse, could it pose a threat to our very existence? These questions underline the need for robust AI regulation. Legislations that ensure ethical use, transparency, and accountability can help us harness the immense potential of AI while mitigating risks. The future of AI is a thrilling mix of opportunities and challenges. It's like standing on the edge of an unexplored frontier. The future of AI is uncertain and exciting, but one thing's for sure, it's here to stay. So, what have we learned about artificial intelligence? We've journeyed from its inception, where we grappled with understanding this bold new concept. We've delved into the mechanics of AI, unraveling the complexities of algorithms, machine learning, and how it all comes together to make decisions, mirroring the human cognitive process. We've seen how AI is not just some abstract concept, but a tangible part of our reality, enhancing various sectors from healthcare to entertainment. We've explored the ethical concerns that accompany AI, the need for transparency, accountability, and the protection of user data. Looking towards the horizon, we've speculated on the future of AI, from potential breakthroughs to challenges that lie ahead. The journey of understanding AI is ongoing, and there's much more to discover and unravel. As we continue to explore and understand AI, it becomes clear that it's not just a tool, but a transformative force in our society.